Hey, what's up guys, it's Robe. So today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Tafadhali, Simply Simon. So this song, actually this song I'm doing in response to a request that was made by one of you guys. So well, this is it. The song has only 4 chords, so it's easy, so beginners also can attempt this song. So guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also, give this video a thumbs up if it helps you out. It really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. Plus lastly, if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, you can let me know in the comment area. So guys, with that aside, we can let's kick off right after this. The song is in the key of A sharp, and since I will be using backwards entirely, I will just play it in the key of A sharp. So the progression is 4 1 5. So in the key of A sharp, the 4 is D sharp, the 1 is A sharp, and the 5 is F sharp major chord. So well, this is the progression for the verse. So there is the progression for the verse, and also a different progression from not very different from, of course, the verses, but there's a variation when it comes to the choruses and the bridge. So for the verse, you could use those that chord progression. So for the bridge and chorus, you'll play 4 5 6 4 5 6 4 5 6. So the 4 is D sharp, then the 5 is F sharp major, and the 6 is G minor chord. So so the way I'm holding the chords, so well, for the D sharp, I'm using my pointer finger to play or press on the 6th fret, string number 5, with my pointer finger, and then on this 8th fret, I'm using my ring finger to bar across the 4th, 3rd, and the 2nd string. 4th, 3rd, and the 2nd string. So that's D sharp major chord. The chord that follows is A major chord, A sharp major chord. Sorry. So for the A sharp major chord, I am barring with my pointer finger on the 6th fret, and then my middle finger, string number 3, on the 7th fret, ring finger, string number 5, on the 8th fret, and small finger, string number 4, 8th fret. So that's A sharp major chord. So the chord that follows is the 5 chord. So the 5 chord is also kind of a bar chord. So my pointer finger, string number 5 on the 8th fret, and then my ring finger barring string number 4, 3, and 2 on the this is the 9th, the 8th fret. No, the 10th fret, sorry. This is the 10th fret. So that's F sharp major chord. So those are the chords that comprise the progression of the verses. And then now for the bridge and chorus, well, you still use the D sharp major chord, F sharp major chord, but now instead of the additional chord will be G sharp minor chord. So the G sharp minor chord, I'm holding it this version. So you can either play it from here, or you can play it there, or also this is another option. So depending on where you are comfortable, you could choose to play it from all those positions, but I will show you in this position. So my pointer finger is playing on the 5th fret, string number 4. My middle finger, fret number 6, string number 1. My ring finger, fret number 7, string number 3. And then my small finger, fret 8, string number 2. So that's G minor chord, and this G minor chord I probably prefer it because it's more like a power chord-ish, so for mainly rock. So this one, so you could use this one or this one also, are still options. So that's it for the, I mean, those are the chords that comprise the bridge and the chorus. Now on the strumming pattern, this is the strumming pattern that you could use. This strumming pattern, down up up down 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 up up down up down up up down So guys, well, that's how you'd play the song on a guitar, and you know, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you did learn something. I hope I was clear. Well, I tried to be clear as possible. So guys, as always, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also give this video a thumbs up, you know, because it really helps out with the, you know, ranking of these videos. And guys, I'm gonna chuck for now, so let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.